In this video, I want to talk about the two products, hands-on experience, and the Pick Nurse Bootcamp certification that I give you. I want to talk about those two things because you don't usually see it like this. So let me tell you what I'm offering here. When I say the hands-on experience for 6 hours, you are going to come here. You are going to use a SiteRite 8. We are going to have you do the procedure, open a kit, bring the bag in, do the paperwork. You are going to do the procedure start to finish. You've got 6 hours. You don't need to break for lunch, and I'm not going to start an hour late and leave an hour early. You are going to come out here and use the equipment. You are going to stick Richard samples. You're going to carry my knapsack, position this table, everything that's required for you to feel comfortable enough for me to then certify you. And that's the thing. When you're ready to be certified, you get 60 minutes, and I'm going to make a video for you. I'm going to make a video of you doing the procedure. Now, remember when I got hired, I didn't even do a procedure. I didn't even know the difference between a central line and midline. For you to get hired, everybody at every facility always asks me, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? And I'm telling you, if you could come to picknursebootcamp.com and you come here and you use the equipment and you do the certification test, I will make you a video. That video puts you so far ahead of any $500 Saturday and Sunday certification video anywhere. If you pass picknursebootcamp.com and you get me to certify you and make you a video, that is your resume. They were so desperate they hired me and had to nothing. I knew nothing about it. They're either you're experienced or there's no way to get experience because a pick nurse is a weird little loophole where there's no certification, and even if you go to pick nurse school at a community college, it just certifies that you went to a school that covered those topics. I cover those topics and more. I cover those topics and teach you how to do a job. So hands-on, you'll come here with me. You'll use all the equipment. If that's enough for you, that's fine. But if you want that certification where you could post your own video and be like, hey, here's a link to me doing the procedure. I just need my stick. I got everything else. Check me out. And they already know me. You do your procedure. They know exactly where you're at. And there's no other way for you to get there without picknursebootcamp.com. Because the only other place that you can do is like a community college sort of, 2-day program, and there's just no way to get the nuances of this stuff across in 2 brief days from somebody that doesn't want to be there. There's no way. You have to see it and do it and go back to it and see it again. You might even come here, do your procedure. Vegas is cheap. You might spend your hands-on day and then come back again. To be a pick nurse, it's not difficult, but there are a lot of details you have to be comfortable with. So once you've done the education side and you're ready to, and that's really, this is the picknursebootcamp.com. You come here, I've got a kit for you. You're going to scan my arm. I got someone else, you'll scan their arm. You'll open up a kit. You'll walk in the room. You'll do the procedure here with me. I'll critique you. I'll send you back out till you get the flow of getting in the room, right patient, right procedure, time out. I got you 6 hours, and I got you certification video, because there is no way, if you don't have a stick, to express to a potential employer what your skill level is. And because of this weird little gap, employers for pick nurse are very skeptical to have to train somebody, because soon as they train you, you leave. But if they're willing to hire you, you could easily get refunded for picknursebootcamp.com. And even if they don't, I'm telling you, it's 3 days cost. Picknursebootcamp.com is 3 average days of work pays for picknursebootcamp.com, including right? Including the tips and tricks, including the education part, including coming out here for a day, and including your resume video of you doing the procedure. They did not make any of those statements or promises or anything when I went to the community college version of this. So, I got you. I want to see you be a PIC nurse and go tell other nurses, PICNurseBootcamp.com. That's how you do it.